Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent airbag faults and accidental power. Once done, remove the undertray with a 10 mm socket and panel tool. There are about 6-8 fasteners. Next, turn the wheels and pry out the wheel well push clips. Remove roughly 6 plus 2 screws per side so you can access bumper bolts. These initial steps expose the bumper edges and prevent hidden clips from tearing when you pull the fascia away. With the wheel liners out, unclip the grille and remove the 8-10 top 10 mm bolts holding the fascia. This releases the top edge. Then unbolt the inner bumper fasteners at each fender apron and the bolts securing fog light brackets. Make sure to disconnect fog lamp harnesses and parking sensor connectors. Label each plug so reassembly is straightforward. As you loosen the bolts, feel for hidden clips. Once bolts are out, carefully pull the bumper straight outward to You now pull the center of the bumper straight out and then work each end off the retaining tabs. Having a helper prevents dropping or scratching. Once off, inspect the impact bar and foam absorber for damage and replace broken clips and fasteners. This ensures proper alignment and safety. Before remounting, reconnect fog lights and sensors and verify operation, then reposition the fascia, engage tabs, and reinstall bolts to factory torque. If the bumper won't seat, check for a missed fastener or a bent clip and realign before tightening.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.